Ever tried walking on clouds? That's exactly the vibe oncloud shoes aims for. And today, I'm bringing you the top 5 picks that deliver that dreamy combo of cushion and support. Whether you're pounding the pavement, hitting the trail, or just chasing all-day comfort, these shoes are built to move with you, providing just the right amount of bounce, stability, and style. Each one has its own personality, and by the end of this, you'll know which one's the right fit for your feet. Make sure to follow our links in the description for the latest discounts and deals. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. Cloud Go. Here's your everyday go-to that feels polished and intuitive from the moment you slip it on. It's the kind of shoe that you forget you're wearing, but in a good way. The midsole features a gentle rocker and a hidden TPU plate, making each step glide forward with ease. That forward motion feels natural and seamless, making it ideal for city walking, light running, or anything in between. Underfoot, it's cushioned, but not overly so. You'll feel the balance, stable enough for daily distances, yet lively enough to pick up the pace when you want it. It responds smoothly whether you're walking or jogging, adapting well to changes in pace and surface. The upper is thoughtfully designed, thicker breathable mesh with a clean fit. Lockdown is secure, and the heel feels comfortably snug without any pinch. There's added flexibility through the forefoot, making transitions feel effortless, while the overall structure still keeps things under control. That balance between structure and give means your foot moves naturally, never restricted. Compared to the earlier Cloud Go, this version adds a touch more softness and refinement. It's a reliable daily trainer that combines simplicity, comfort, and polished performance in a way that doesn't overcomplicate things. If you want one shoe that just works, whether it's errands, workouts, or casual strolls, Cloud Go quietly gets the job done. Number 4. Cloud 6. Imagine slipping into a sneaker that feels custom-built for everyday movement. From the moment your foot enters, there's this gentle, secure embrace that makes it feel like it was made just for you. The welcome upgrade here is an improved fit, roomier in the front and heel, so it wraps gently without squeezing. That makes a big difference for people with slightly wider feet or anyone who values wiggle room. The engineered mesh does a stellar job of staying cool, perfect whether you're in the city heat or the office chill. It's a shoe you can wear all day and not just for workouts. One standout feature is the speed lacing system. No knot, no fuss. It tightens in a second and holds steady, though traditional laces are included if you prefer them. Comfortable padding hugs the heel, offering gentle lockdown without pressure. Underfoot, classic Cloud Tech pods meet Helion foam, delivering a soft touchdown with a hint of spring. It's firm enough to support daily walks and light gym sessions, yet comfortable all day long. A mild rocker in the forefoot helps each step roll forward with ease, encouraging fluid transitions. On durability, some users note the foam midsole can scuff over time and pick up gravel in the grooves, but the upper remains solid and breathable. Compared to the previous version, the Cloud 6 brings more interior space and improved comfort, perfect for long wear, travel, or casual wear with a touch of finesse. If you're after a shoe that looks sleek, feels light, and supports your daily grind, the Cloud 6 might just become your everyday favorite. Number 3. Cloud Monster 2. Built to go big on bounce, this one brings a max cushion feel without dulling your stride. It doesn't just look bold, it performs boldly. It's stacked with dual-density foam and a hidden nylon plate that works behind the scenes to add a subtle snap to each step. It's not springy in a gimmicky way, just smooth and responsive, like a quiet boost pushing you forward. What really stands out is how the cushioning manages to feel plush without being sluggish. The foam compresses just enough to absorb impact, then springs back with a bit of attitude. Whether you're cruising easy or picking up the pace, it adapts without hesitation. The upper has been upgraded too, breathable, supportive, and thoughtfully shaped. The toe box gives you room to move, the midfoot hugs without squeezing, and the heel holds firm for a locked-in feel. Even the thin tongue adds comfort without bulk. Underneath, strategically placed rubber enhances grip and durability, while the outsole's layout helps the transition from heel to toe feel fluid and effortless. Compared to its previous version, there's more softness up front and an improved balance between comfort and response. It's still bold, still energetic, but now just a little more refined. If you like your shoes loud in performance but quiet in refinement, Cloud Monster 2 gives you that oversized cushion without compromising control. Number 2. Oncloud Eclipse. This one blends innovation and comfort in a way that feels almost futuristic. If the others are great, this one feels crafted, like a designer made it just for long runs and smooth motion. With a double layer of plush Helion foam and a unique geometry designed for sequential shock absorption, every step feels protected, smooth, and surprisingly light. The cushioning hits that rare sweet spot between soft and firm, almost like a floating sensation. A max stack height underfoot provides serious comfort, yet transitions feel fast and fluid thanks to the 4-foot rocker. The drop sits at 6 mm, which might take a moment to adjust to, but once you do, it flows naturally with your stride. There's a rhythm to this shoe, a glide that makes longer runs or recovery days feel effortless. Despite its higher profile, it handles pace changes with ease. Whether you're jogging easy miles or stretching into a long run, it responds without ever feeling heavy on your feet. And that subtle energy return? It sneaks up on you, pushing you forward without making it obvious. Up top, there's a soft, breathable mesh that stays comfortable in both warm and cool conditions. The fit is generous with a roomy toe box and smart lockdown features like reflective lace cages and a semi-rigid heel for added support. Durability also stands out. From the foam to the outsole rubber, this one's built to last. And it's versatile enough for everything from daily training to marathon day. If you're the type who values comfort, longevity, and easy transitions over flashy design or extreme performance, Cloud Eclipse brings a quiet power to every mile. Number 1. Oncloud Tilt. This one doesn't just show up for comfort, it shows up with purpose. The second you step in, you'll feel it. A gentle roll forward, a soft landing, and a kind of smoothness that makes walking feel a little more natural. What really makes it pop is the CloudTech Phase midsole, a unique configuration that compresses in sequence for a smoother, more fluid step. It doesn't shout with bounce, but it flows. Great for long hours on your feet, from morning commutes to late-night grocery runs. Visually, it's sleek, streamlined, built for people who want style without trying too hard. The minimalist silhouette pairs effortlessly with just about anything, whether you're headed to the gym or strolling through the city. And the materials? Thoughtfully done. You're looking at a recycled mesh upper that keeps things light and breathable, with color made using a dope dyeing process that significantly cuts down on water waste. Sustainable and stylish, a rare combo. There's also a speed lacing system that keeps things simple. Pull, lock, and go. No fuss, no retying mid-walk. Now, let's talk fit. It runs true to size for most, but if you like a little extra room or have wider feet, you might want to size up. It hugs the midfoot snugly while offering good room in the toe box. Downsides? A few. Some users mention occasional slippage or squeaking after extended use. It's not a deal breaker, but worth noting if you're planning on using them daily or in quieter spaces. This isn't a runner's shoe. It's not built for tempo or training days. But for everyday wear, walking, travel, and comfort-first lifestyles, this is a solid low-key performer that gets the job done without ever feeling clunky or overbuilt. Think of the Cloud Tilt as your all-day comfort shoe with an eye for design. Subtle, supportive, and surprisingly refined. So, which one's your match? From all-day comfort to bold bounce and stable support, there's an oncloud shoe for every stride. Drop your favorite in the comments. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Catch you in the next one.